welcome to the Stuart Clarke lab tour. We are based in the basement here at the Department of Chemistry, and the group looks at surfaces and interfaces. We're interested at the interface of solid liquid or liquid or gas, and we're here first in the dry lab at the basement. And with me I have Finn, who's a postdoc in the project, like postdoc on the group, and I'm Surabhi, and I'm a fourth year PhD in the group.
Hi, so as Surabhi mentioned, we're down here in the basement labs in the Department of Chemistry. So Stuart's group is actually split with our lab space between the chemistry department here and some labs we have in West Cambridge. But we'll talk you through the instruments which are housed in the chemistry department, starting with the dry lab. So in chemistry we have a lot of our spectroscopic instruments as well as some other analytical techniques. So here we've got a DSC and a TGA. We've also got a chromatography setup as well as a UV vis here, and a centrifuge for separating solid and liquids, or liquids from other liquids. So we've got a microbalance set up for measuring surface tensions or surface-free energies. And I think Surabhi is going to talk you through some of the other equipment we have in the dry lab here.
So the other piece of equipment we have here, mainly we have an SEM, which is using electrons to image. And then we have coating spurter coaters and electron depositor coater. And we can coat metals with it, so we can coat iron, chromium, gold. I have a penny which is half coated with gold, so that's pretty cool. And the last thing we have here is a glove box, which we can use to create any kind of environment we want. So like, for example, I use it to create an oxygen-free environment and do my experiments inside that.
Something else we might want to mention is that a lot of the work done by Stuart's group, both by Surabhi and myself as well as the others, is using international and national facilities. Specifically, we often go to the neutron source ISIS in Oxfordshire as well as the diamond X-ray source, and further the ILL in Grenoble, which is another neutron source. And a lot of the work we do to prepare for those facility experiments. Hi, so we're now in the wet lab, which is where we do some of the wet chemistry preparation, and we also have some further instruments here. So here we have the PM-IRAS for looking at infrared absorption on reflection from surfaces, and on my left we have a Langmuir trough, and with this we can control surface pressure to control the formation of monolayers on liquid air surfaces or liquid vapour surfaces, and it's in this box, so we can change the atmosphere and also to prevent any ambient air movement from disturbing the very sensitive monolayers which can form on these surfaces. Thanks for watching our lab tour. I hope you'll consider applying to join Stuart's group. We're a really nice bunch, as I'm sure Surabhi now testify.
Yeah, so we've both been part of the group as we did summer projects here, and then we came back and we stayed on for years and years. So we really enjoyed being in the group, and we would encourage you to apply as well.
Yeah, feel free to have a look at our page on the chemistry department website, and if you have any more questions, email Stuart or any of his group. I'm sure they'll be very happy to reply.